install your hair 2025 or guinea kind of milk. So this is my glue. I'll begin to apply my glue on my edges. I'll begin carry anything and begin to spread. Make sure you are spreading. If you don't spread, the thing go gather one place, it go come the white. You don't need that. So I will apply again for the second time. For the third time, so really make sure say it's secure our wig. Wait, make this thing dey transparent, like make it not white again before we begin to install. This is the wig we are going to be installing, and this is on period. If you are wondering who is my hair plug, of course it's Angie's hair. No Angie's hair, no hair. Wear your wig. You begin to drag the wig forward, yeah? So don't forget, this corner they always come here, and the other corner, make sure it pass where you applied your glue a bit. So now you put down, you press down, okay, down, mash down, apply more, lift up, and you close it. Installed ungwanu, so I'll begin to melt with my melty bad, and this is on period. Ungwanu, I'll leave it for like 20 to 30 minutes. Yes, I want it melt to my skin. So now I'll begin to take off the pin from this wig. So let's take out the pin. So I'll begin to apply my wax stick. My hot comb, make sure you have your hot comb. Next month, everything will be available for sales. You pick from down and you drop. How to style 2C parts from both sides. So you are going to take like this. You comb, apply wax stick here, trim here, mix my got to be and my gel together. It will help the styling to stay long. So now apply. I will spray my got to be for extra hold, like to hold the hair firmly. So cut. So we are doing the same to the other side. We are bringing it to this side. I will apply my wax stick here. I will spray my spirit spray. Begin to flatten. Say baddest cha-cha. Again, baddest cha-cha. Can you be that? In this period. Do you know that this hair is bone straight? I was one that called it to bouncy hair. Ungwanu. Ungwanu, check out the final look. Wig installed by moi gege. Come on, buddy. So this is how to install your hair by your own self in your own comfort zone. If you see this video, I didn't apply melty spray on this wig installation, but the wig melted to my skin. Okay, and this is on period. So this is how to install your hair by your own self in your own comfort zone. How many times I could tell now? Ungwanu. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.